Hello, everybody. Edgar Eddie Fernandez, your safety coach 4.0, helping safety professionals to adapt to the fourth industrial revolution or the industry 4.0. Really are the same, only with different names. So you can find it for them for industrial revolution or industry 4.0. Well, let's continue talking about innovation. So, innovation is gonna be one of the top three priorities for business, companies, or industries to grow. This is according to the McKinsey interviewed 600 CEOs or and top executives, and 70% of them agreed that innovation is gonna be a key to grow, to make an impact in the market, or be one of the top, I would say, competitors in any specific market. Also, they agreed that innovation and leadership, they go hand to hand. So this is something that we need to keep in mind. Leadership is very different than management, and with the leadership, you can have innovation. So, and also 65% of these people that was interviewed, they were interviewed, sorry, they are disappointed in their abilities to lead innovation. So really, this number caught my attention, and the reasons why. You remember the other videos or capsules that I've been posting on here in LinkedIn. It's so now agile teams is become very important to have them, and actually it's not only agile teams. Let me rephrase it: is being an agile organization. It's gonna be critical. What I'm saying this, it's very important because we tend to do the things in the other way. So it's like somebody's sick, and then instead of going to the doctor, we go to the pharmacy and try to find a prescription. And that's the reason why safety, you see the safety stats in the US and Canada, all around the world, they haven't changed in the past, I would say, 10 years. Yeah, fatalities have decreased. Recordable injuries the same, but still there are too much. Way much. So really, they haven't changed. If you see the top 10 safety violations in the industry in all over the world, they haven't changed. They are the same, maybe ranked different, but they are the same. So nothing has changed because one of the things we do is we want to have the prescription first instead of going to the doctor and see how the symptoms that we need to fight them or we need to fix them. So innovation is going to do that. So 70% of these CEOs that were interviewed, they said that innovation is going to be one of the top three strategies that we need to have to grow, to grow the business. To give you around how many people they were interviewed, there were 600 of them. But also 65 of these 600, they say that they have been frustrated because they don't know how to lead the innovation. So only 25% they have been successful to lead the innovation. And these 25%, they agreed in one thing: innovation and leadership, they go hand to hand. So now this is the key point. Agile organizations are gonna fix this problem. Actually, you trend to your tendency or your plans is to go to agile organizations. Congratulations, because that's the way to fix this problem. And actually, having an agile organization truly, I mean, obviously, is gonna promote leadership. That is one of the key components. It's you're gonna make your environment more trustful. Everybody's gonna trust each other. Ideas. Everybody's gonna feel important, and everybody's gonna feel that they can contribute with something. And unfortunately, nowadays we don't have that. Although you can say something, I mean, you can be in disagreement with me, not a problem. But that's the reality. The numbers says a different story, like the numbers that I mentioned at the beginning. So instead of having the PO to see what safety can solve or how we can have them reach the goal of zero incidents or zero recordable injuries, we need to go way back. So through these to the organization, how it's gonna proceed. I understand not many of you guys or not many of the organizations that you are working right now, they can go through the digital transformation. And it's pretty much everybody's the same. I would say 80%. Industries like the finance industry and the oil and gas and pharmaceutical, yeah, for sure they are going to also to the technological transformation as well. And obviously before going that they implemented or they design or developed something that is called a permanent evolution strategy. So innovate every day and every day and every day. So um, also one of the 33% of the companies of these 600, they have innovation strategies as well. So let me give you four brief steps, because actually there are 7 pillars of innovation, and it's something that I want to talk to you in the next video about those 7 pillars. But now let's see these four components of these strategies to start getting implementing innovation in your company. So you need to integrate an innovation strategy right as soon as possible. Next year, I mean, now it's October. Most of the companies, they do that. They start reviewing what they're gonna do next year. So at least think about it. I know that you cannot do a strategy in 2 3 months, but at least you have that goal, and then that goal that you need to have an innovation strategy at the end of the next year, or or into 6 months. Sorry, so that is a good step. That is a good start. So you need to start as soon as possible to at least have form a team of people that is talented and knows your process, knows your business, knows your market very well, and start making these strategies as soon as possible. Because one of the other things that they found on this investigation, it's uh, now to find good talent is difficult. But the question came up. Actually, this is a question that came up. You are looking for the right talent or for the ideal talent. And I can tell you the 85% of the companies, they are looking for the ideal talent, and that's the reason why they're having troubles to go through innovation. There are no ideal talent; there is the right talent to do that. And these 32% of companies, they search for their right talent, not for the ideal one. So talent new innovation. So make that's the reason why I make that comment. So now you need to start with the talent that you have right now. And I'm sure that you have a good talent around. So you start um, searching for that people and invite them to form teams and start solving problems. So actually, innovation is not only by technology; it's innovation. You see, that's gonna be talking more and more in these videos. It's innovation also is ideas. Pretty much is that. It's how you're gonna implement your ideas. So, but the question here is, you need a better talent. My answer, I would say no. My answer is you need to manage and lead there, and lead that talent that you have already right now. Because if you have people that have been there 25 years, 30 years, or more than 5 years, you have the right talent because they have the right knowledge and the right experience and the right skills to do that. So your solutions are inside of your company, not outside. So the only thing is you need to look for help to how to start. Also, that I call decoding tacit knowledge, and few companies they do that. So actually, that's the thing you need to start doing to start managing your talent. Making a strategy. So what strategy you have? Use what you have right now. You need to have a strategy. You need to have a goal, and that actually is one of the pillars that we're gonna discuss in subsequent videos. And you need to have a trust environment, something that actually these agile organizations in the finance and the oil and gas and the pharmaceutical industry, some of them, not many, the environment from those teams is trust. So in other words, their opinions are always respected, no matter what if the team agrees or not. but everybody can speak out, and then and nothing is going to happen. So the fear or express your opinion, I mean, should disappear in the organization. And most of this happen in safety. And being on my 25 years in being in safety, I found out that people sometimes they don't believe in safety because they don't see any improvements. That's my experience, to be honest with you, when I've been arriving in different environments, and they need to trust you. How are you gonna gain the trust of the people on the floor or your colleagues around? And this is now for the safety professionals. I've been mentioning you need to network, so you need to go to the floor as many times as you can. I would say twice a day, and not only to review what is good and what is not, what is complying with safety regulations, standards, or rules. It's only to talk to people, what they need, what is the environment that they are facing. So to summarize this video, so define your strategy, add innovation to your regular agenda, and set metrics and targets for that. And you need to do it as soon as possible. In other words, you need to establish they call an evolution strategy, and that's the way that you're gonna go through this disruption, and you're gonna start being innovative in your industry. As a safety professional, you should do the same. But in but remember this: organizations, they need to change in order to get the goals through innovation, and then obviously safety is not different. So now safety is going to be in a good place, because now safety is going to be part of that innovation. We have been saying this through the years, but really, you see, safety and production, they manage different. You manage these two departments in separated, and that's the reason why you have a lot of I would say the goals haven't been reached in a global industry, because we have too many fatalities and too many injuries. Hopefully this video helps you, and see you on the next one. Bye.